Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. As you can see, I'm in the doghouse. My human sister is making this for me. She's not done yet, but she's made me a lovely house with a lovely little bed inside, and I just really love it in here. It's nice and cozy. I got a new fence for my new backyard, so I can go outside without having to be on the leash. It's just all great here at the new homestead. But anyway, I'm not in trouble. I'm just in here because she made it for me and she wanted me to try it out. Anyway, today's Monday meal is breakfast for dinner. Yummy, yummy. It is called Easy Sheet Pan Pancakes, and it was so easy. My mom loved it, and of course she made hers allergy friendly, but it is awesome. You just make up whatever pancake recipe you normally make up, and she doubled her recipe, of course, and then you pour it into a sheet pan, and at $4.75 for our gluten-free, it's about 20 minutes for them to be done, but regular flour, it's anywhere from 12 to 17 minutes. But you'll see, she'll link the original recipe in the description box below. But anyway, this was so awesome, and you could put whatever kind of add-ins you want in it, like blueberries or chocolate chips, or my mom put cinnamon in there and stuff. So whatever you want to add to it. Actually, she put bacon, not cinnamon, bacon. She decided to make it savory since it was breakfast for dinner. But anyway, you can put whatever add-ins you want in there, and it's so easy. And then you just cut them apart and serve them in squares, and you can put on them whatever you want. So it turned out really great, really simple. You don't have to stand over the stove forever, flipping pancakes. It's just a really awesome recipe. So hopefully you guys will give it a try. And that's what the Monday meal is for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. We would really appreciate it. All right, everyone. Have a happy Monday. I'm going to enjoy it in my doghouse. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi, everyone. As Chef Yoda said, what'd you say, Yoda? What are we making for the Monday meal? It's breakfast for dinner, right? So we're making sheet pan pancakes. So we're going to put them in this pan here. And we're not going to have to flip anything. We're not going to have to cook it on the stove. We're not going to have to babysit them. My mother-in-law gave me this recipe, and it is awesome. And Yoda's excited because he might get to have some. So let me tell you what I put in it. And I've made mine gluten-free, of course. There's a recipe for pancakes in the description box below and the link to the recipe. But if you have a pancake mix you like to use, you just make it up. Just make up serving. I actually did a double pancake serving on the back of this gluten-free Bisquick box. There's the recipe. I doubled it. So then you can put in it whatever you like, blueberries, chocolate chips, whatever. I decided I wanted mine to be savory since it's breakfast for dinner, so we're having bacon bits. So I put in 2 handfuls. So basically you make your recipe that you normally would make for pancakes, and then you can add to it whatever else you want. This one called for buttermilk, so I used some apple cider vinegar in the bottom of my cup measure and then put my coconut milk over it. And then, of course, I use my egg replacer here by Energy since I can't have eggs. So made my pancake recipe. This is what it looks like. I'm going to pour it into the pan and then show you what it looks like before it goes into the 425-degree Fahrenheit. Okay, I have spread out the pancake mixture into my sheet cake pan. I greased it with some extra virgin olive oil before I put the batter in there. And we're supposed to cook it in a 425-degree oven, almost there, for 12 to 17 minutes, which is quite a range. But with gluten-free, it usually takes longer, so I'm going to start with about 20 minutes. All right, I did 20 minutes for gluten-free, and it's perfect. So I sliced them up, and they're ready to serve. See, they're soft in the middle, crispy on the outside. Perfect sheet pan pancakes. I'll link the recipe below. Thanks. Happy Monday.